There's just so much noise out there. People get bombarded with ads. They get bombarded with ads at the gas station, on Facebook, on YouTube, in your car, even in the airport, like driving. Like it's just, you're just bombarded with the ads. And now it used to be like 7 seconds. Now I think it's less than a second. You really have to catch somebody's attention. And you do that in two ways, and it really is offer and hook. And it's a really hard thing to get right when you think about offers and hooks, especially in the lead generation space. And it's changed a lot, right? But just a couple foundational stuff, right? So what is an offer, right? Because you might get different answers when you think about what an offer is. But an offer is basically the promise or the thing of value that you're going to give somebody. And that's important in lead generation, right? Because if somebody's going to fill out your form and put in their name, email, and phone number, you have to give them something of value. And consumers have gotten really, really smart, right? Everyone does the same thing. Like, I don't care if it's home services or insurance or auto insurance.